Did you always wanted to be a superhero? With special skills? Someone who can read others people's minds? Or be able to detect manipulation like lying, or deceiving? Make people do things, without telling them. Predict their behavior and what to expect. Profile people to recognize character and competencies. Maybe superheroes do not exist. But these skills can be learned. In our workshops we will teach you the very basics in becoming aware of these skills. You can use these skills to improve your sales, your interviewing techniques, your way of educating, or any job that requires strong communication skills. Join our masterclass, The Art of Influencing, every month on a different venue. We will teach you skills that you can use right away. The basics of communication, influencing, recognize behavior and how to present yourself. This training is the first step to become a super influencer, who will be expert in coaching, team building, leadership, public speaking, counter manipulation, tracking information, convincing others and much more. We hope to see you soon in our training. Send an email to education@aingreen.co.id to receive more information. Improve yourself, to improve others. Hope to see you soon.